Number 2 is FlashForge 3D Printer. If you're searching for a reliable and versatile 3D printer for your home, look no further than the FlashForge 3D Printer. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, this printer is easy to set up and use immediately. One of the standout features of this printer is its compatibility with a wide variety of filaments, including ABS, PLA, TPU, and PETG. This means you can experiment with different materials and create diverse 3D models. The FlashForge 3D printer includes intelligent sensor technology, power loss recovery, and filament runout detection. This ensures that your printing progress is saved in case of a power outage and that you're alerted when it's time to refill or replace your filament. In terms of the printing platform, this printer offers both a glass platform and a magnetic steel plate platform. Both options provide strong adhesion and can be easily removed and replaced to meet your printing needs. The FlashForge 3D printer is a reliable and versatile choice for anyone looking to bring their 3D printing projects to life at home. If you want to purchase the printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it.